Let's take a look at the header, footer, and page numbers now. So, go to the Insert menu, find the header option, click on it, and you'll see several types to choose from. There is a column, D3, and various design options.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
For instance, if I want to place it here, I can use TS01 as an example. Now you can see the distinction. It's located in the header and in front of the text. If you scroll down, you'll notice that we're on page 2 and the header is already set up. I can also make changes to it, like adding COFTS01, and it will update automatically. And I can also delete it. Let's add another design here, for instance. I can add a title and label it as COFTS, just like that. No changes needed. The translation is already contextual and modern. You can see that it's in the header, not in the main text, so it will appear on all pages. This is super handy for any official document you need to send. No changes needed. The current translation is already contextual and modern. Let's come here and delete it. Now the header works in the same way. I can come here and insert a type. It will come here. I will write TS01. And it's already in the header of every document. Page 2, it's all here. I can also insert 3 different types. So, 01, here I can put Tori, and here work, for example, it's already right. I can also customize the header type as per my preference. I can add a date here, for example, and then close it. So, the entire header is with the original date. It will always be automatically. So, let's go ahead and delete it. So, it was deleted. And the page number too, which is very useful for some documents. Insert, here page 2, here 1, and so on. Let's add it in the corner. It's already in the right place. Let's decrease. As you add pages, the page numbers will automatically update to 1, 2, and so on. I can also put other types. Let's come here and put this button. So, as I add more pages, the numbering will automatically update to 1, 2, and so on. So, it is native to the document itself that you are doing. Let's insert this other type. No changes needed. The translation is already contextual and colloquial, so you can use headers, footers, and page numbers according to your design. To insert in your document in Word,